Welcome back to Instables again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective again as we jump back above our 10 SMA here, looking to see if we continue with this rally to the upside. Will we continue on above our prior balance? Will we continue on with strength? I'm going to go over exactly which indicator will give us confirmation and what exact bullish candle structure we would be looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you want to see pre-market news that you want to be watching, if you're looking for data sets that you want to be watching, for example, 30 minutes before market open, the market very much does react to certain data sets and you didn't know that they were coming out, or just looking for those major volatile breakouts on news that we mention every single day in the Instables room, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here, we finally did get a bounce back after retesting our 21-day and our 50 here. Again, bouncing back after retesting our 21-day and 50 after finally, again, crossing above our 50 with our 21-day. We did mention that we needed that retest, and now we are jumping back above our 10 SMA here, looking to see if we continue to respect our 10 SMA. What we will be looking for from here is to see if we do continue on with green candles again to the upside, if we do continue on above our prior balance, and if we do continue on above our prior balance, again, that spike, that intraday momentum play that you would be looking for is, again, that spike above here, making sure you do get that proof of concept to make sure that this is not a large wick to the upside, a possible large inverted hammer, a possible gravestone doji that could come out if you were to not look for that possible proof of concept, and then that continuation on higher on that break. That would be that continuation on that intraday momentum if you're looking for that continuation here. Now zooming a little more in here on the 4-hour chart, this is why we need to be patient here looking for that bullish candle structure, is because as you guys can see, we have our 10 MA way below our 21 MA, needs to cross back above our 21. Our 21 needs to cross back above our 50 here on the 4-hour chart for us to get that continuation, and again, that would be that confirmation on bullish candle structure on possible retests for that continuation on higher. Again, this is on our 4-hour chart. On the daily chart, it does show that we do have that possible continuation since we are now back above our 10 SMA here. Again, now looking to see if we do get that confirmation, and that confirmation and key indicator that I did mention in the beginning of this video is here with our 12 crossing back above our 26. If our 12 does not cross above our 26, then we have no confirmation on that major bullish candle structure to continue on higher no matter what happens. If our 12 does not, again, cross back above our 26 EMA, we are not going to continue on again above our prior balance, in my opinion. So again, we are looking for that possible bullish candle structure as we have our 12 crossing back above our 26. And now we do have that first white shaded line here showing us that possibility of that possible bull run here. So we will keep an eye to see if we do continue on with these white shaded lines to show that we have that possible continuation on increases in buy pressure to come. So again, going into tomorrow, we're looking at our sell pressure to see if we continue on with decreases in sell pressure, looking for our 12 to continue on to curl here above our 26. If this does not continue to happen, then this could be a possible false break, and our 10 MA could cross back below our 26, and this could be a possible false break if we do, again, get that rejection on our trend line here from our prior balance coming over to our recent balance. So again, if we do not continue on above here, this could be that false break, and we do not want that to happen. But in my opinion, even if we do get a false break, we are still looking to see if we do continue to respect our 21-day. So we'll see exactly what happens. Again, very, very strong candle here, looking to see if we continue on with that pressure here on the MACD is what we're looking for intraday. Now looking at our swing perspective, as we look for that possible continuation, looking at our candle structure here on the weekly chart, looking at exactly how this candle will close here on the week. Again, tomorrow is our last day of closing this candle, and so far we have bears that came in completely rejected and bouncing off of our 10 weekly moving average. And again, we mentioned yesterday we have that possibility of bouncing back, and again, very much rightfully so, as we were testing a very key support and now sitting on a dragonfly doji. If we continue on with this dragonfly doji, that will give us that possible continuation if bears do continue on above our prior balance. Again, this will be that bullish candle structure that we will need on our daily chart to give us that confirmation. But again, we do like this candle closing as a retest on our 10 MA, showing us that possible continuation. We'll see exactly how we continue on with this dragonfly doji. Again, showing a clear rejection on our 10 MA with that possible continuation and possible overextension into our prior gap downs. Again, those prior gap downs on our daily chart, our prior gap downs that we did have, that would give us that possible continuation on higher here above 426. And again, just looking to see if we continue on above 416 with that bullish candle structure to possibly continue on above 426 to gap up is what we're looking for from our swing perspective if we get that bullish candle structure on the daily chart. Now, with that said, we are very much testing our 21-month moving average here, looking to see if we will close above our 21-month moving average to get that bullish candle structure here on our monthly chart for that major gap up here on our monthly chart. Again, that would be that confirmation, and that confirmation very much would be coming from our 12 and our 26 crossing higher here on our monthly MACD as well. So again, we are curling here in such a way that we have not curled. Again, a couple days ago we did curl down, but now we are curling back up, very much showing us that possibility of that possible long and swing term momentum if we do cross higher here. Very much looking to see if we do continue to curl and if we do complete with that decrease in sell pressure that we have been getting. And again, very much looking for that bullish candle structure if we continue on above our prior balance again on our daily chart here. So again, as we recap on our intraday perspective, what I would be looking for here again is to see if we continue to hold our 0.786 fib here, looking to see if we continue to hold our 10 MA, making sure that our 10 MA does start to curl back up here. And if we do start to curl back up, you look for that possible bullish candle structure above your 10 MA. Again, looking for that possible bull flag would be that clean break here. And again, that proof of concept and then that continuation on higher would be that play you're looking for. But again, on the weekly chart, very much looking for that continuation going into next week. Following that Dragonfly Doji is what we're looking for. That Dragonfly Doji very much is testing. Now, keep in mind, all of this is leading into next Wednesday's Fed rate hike. That very much will predicate exactly how much momentum we do get. Again, today we did get that Powell leak. It was a false leak, and then Powell had admitted that there was possibly only 2 more Fed rate hikes to come at 25-point basis. So we'll see exactly where we continue from here. If we continue on with this anticipation leading into next week's Fed rate hike, that's exactly what we are leading into. Now, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news on major volatile movers, major breakouts that we mention every single day in the Instables room 2.5 hours before market open, we mention any news, any data, any major levels that you want to be watching in the market, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate every one of you guys again for supporting the channel every day. We will continue to go out again. Very nice bounce back, as we mentioned at a very key support, again, mentioned yesterday on our 4-hour chart. Again, a very key support that we were not only bouncing off of here, but also opened yesterday's candle into after hours exactly within our pullback here. So again, we opened exactly within our pullback candle here, showing us that possible bounce back. We did bounce back. We bounced back above our 10 MA today, and then we continued down higher here. Now looking for that possible continuation if our 10 again continues on above our 21 and our 21 above our 50. Again, a very nice bounce that we got from our prior support that we did continue on higher from, but also that gap down that we did play into from our prior gap up. So again, as always, bulls, continue to stick with the market gives us pre-market, and morning rush will be our #1 focus as always. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.